Dear colleagues, greetings. A warm welcome to all delegates at the HISICON 2021, 21st National Conference of Hospital Infection Society at Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. Due to unprecedented global pandemic situation, it is the first time we are organizing a virtual national conference in the history of Hospital Infection Society India. Hospital-acquired infections is a global challenge and is associated with significant morbidity and mortality as seen in our hospitals and healthcare institutions. There is now emerging evidence pointing to hospitals as high-risk areas for outbreaks. As enclosed buildings that house large number of individuals who regularly interact with each other, including patients infected with COVID-19 and the healthcare workers who care for them. Hospitals could potentially become infectious hotspots if rigorous infection control processes are not in place. Strict infection control measures with zero tolerance approach is critical for not only the hospital's mission to protect patients and its staff, also to formulate national strategy for containing COVID-19 pandemic and other life-threatening infections. The aim of Hospital Infection Society India is to prepare healthcare workers to overcome this challenge. This year's conference theme is Healthcare Associated Infections, Addressing Challenges and Unfolding the Solutions in Public and Private Sector. During this conference, infection control experts and healthcare professionals will deliberate on a common platform and discuss the way forward to address the clinical issues in infection control. The interactive workshop will provide an update on the recent developments and infection preventions and will support with implementation of successful protocols effectively in everyday practice. The conference will be an ideal platform to support and strengthen the antimicrobial resistance recommendations and help prevent the rampant misuse of antibiotics in the country. I'm sure all delegates will enjoy the sessions during this conference. I compliment the efforts of all involved in organizing this virtual event and wish the conference a great success. I wish all to be safe and happy. Take care. Best wishes, Dr. T.S. Jain, President, Hospital Infection Society, India. Thank you.